Assalamu alaikum everyone. My full name is Tasfiya Jarin Nahin, but please call me Nahin. I am 13 years old. I read in class 8. The name of my school is Kerala Government Girls High School. I am from Bangladesh, but I live in the town Gophergaon. My main ambition is want to be an expert doctor. That's all. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. But net problem, and that's why sound is not clear. Okay, and next, Mithi.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. Thank you for this opportunity to talk about myself. My full name is Litfatun Afna Mithi, but you can call me Mithi. I belong to Bangladesh. I study in Khairullah Girls High School and I am a student of class 10. In future, I want to be a good doctor. That's all. Thanks for hearing.
Okay, thank you. Next, Niamul Haq. Hello, Niamul.
Yes, sir. Hello, this is Niamul Haq Siam, but please call me Niamul Haq. I'm a student at Gophergaon Government High School. I'm 14 years old. I am live in Bangladesh. I am from Gophergaon. My main ambition is to be a scientist. That's all. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. And next, Noor, female student Noor.
Please allow me to introduce myself. My full name is Janatul Firdaus Noor, but please, you can call me Noor. I'm 13 years old. I'm in grade 8. I'm from Bangladesh. I live in a town called Gophergaon. My main ambition is to be a biologist. That's all. Thank you.
Okay, next, male Noor, male student Noor.
First of all, thank you for giving me the opportunity. To introduce myself before you. My full name is Sabab Noor, but you can call me Noor. I am 14 years old and I am in grade 8. I am from Bangladesh and I live in the city of Mymensingh. In future, I want to become an aeronautical engineer. That's all. Thank you.
Okay, next, Saima Mubashira. Hello, Saima Mubashira.
Not there.
Okay, Fima.
Hello everyone. My full please allow me to introduce myself. My full name is Maruf Akhtar Hima, but please call me Fima. I am 13 years old and I am a student of class 8 of Kerala Government Girls High School. I am from Bangladesh and I live in a town called Gophergaon. And my main ambition is to be a good doctor. That's all. Thank you for hearing me.
Okay, thank you. And next, Tausif Jaman.
Thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. Hello, myself am Tausif Jaman, but please call me Deep. I am 16 years old and I am a student. I read in Gophergaon Islamic Government High School in class 10. I am from Bangladesh and I live in a city called Gophergaon. And that's all. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. And next, Rafi.
Please allow me to introducing myself. My full name is MD Tanjim Hassan Rafi, but please call me Rafi. I am a student of class 8 of Gophergaon Islamic Government High School. I am 13 years old. I am from Bangladesh. I live in town called Gophergaon. My ambition is to be a doctor. That's all. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. And next, Tamim.
Assalamu alaikum all. My full name is Junaid Iqbal Khan Tamim. Please call me Tamim. I read in class. No. I am 15 years old. I read in class 10. I live in Gophergaon. I live in town. My ambition is cyber security researcher. That's all. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. And now my daughter will introduce herself. Please. Hello. Please allow me
Please allow me
to introduce myself.
to
Hello.
introduce myself.
My full name is
My name
Sabil Jarin
is
Sabha. Play. And I am 5 years old. I live in Gafurgan. Hello.
I live in Gafurgan.
I am from Bangladesh.
I'm from Bangladesh.
And my future ambition,
My
future
future
ambition is to be a honest officer.
honest officer.
That's all. Thank you. And everybody pray for me.
Pray for me.
I can do well
I can do well.
next time. Okay, thank you very much. Okay. And ma'am, now
Yes, sir.
you will introduce yourself, ma'am.
My name is Veena. Can you all hear me good?
Ma'am, we can.
Yes. And we will be talking. You will just not be hearing. I want you to talk. Is it fine?
Yes, yes.
Let us make this class noisy. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. I will ask you what do you know about me. My name is Reena. And which country I am from?
Ma'am, India.
India.
India. What do you know about India? Do you know something?
Yeah, ma'am.
Tell me, what do you know about India?
India, our neighboring country, is surrounded.
India is, yeah, we are neighbors. We are neighboring country. What else?
Bangladesh is
India
surrounded. Bangladesh's 3 parts are surrounded by India.
Okay.
So, and
and
we were
India is
recently
about
47.
India is
India to the west, northwest, and east side of the Bangladesh.
agree. Tell me something which is not geographical. Like you're just telling me the location, the east, west, north, south. What else? What else do you know about India?
India helped us in our liberation war in 1971.
Okay. Now we go into history, right?
before 1947.
History.
We
Okay.
used to be a
Used to be in the
country.
same country. India
Have
was
you
the
ever- Yes.
No, ma'am,
Tell me.
continue.
Yeah. Have you ever visited India? Anybody?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Have you visited any other country out of Bangladesh?
No, ma'am.
No,
ma'am.
no, I have no
No,
experience,
ma'am.
but,
Now we are all talking about English. Why is English needed? Like all of you need to converse. Why English is needed? What is
Ma'am,
your
English is-
language? Wow,
Ma'am,
what is
our
your
language
language?
is Bangla.
Our language is Bangla.
Okay. So
Yes.
this is the language which you speak always?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
We
ma'am.
all,
Yes, ma'am.
almost 92% people of Bangladesh speak in Bangla.
Okay. So what is the rest of the 8%?
Ma'am, they are small
They have
tribes.
their own languages.
They have
They
their
have
own
their own
language,
languages.
like Chakma,
Yes.
Mama.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay. So 8% is tribal, 92% is Bangla. Where is English?
but
Ma'am, English is our second
Actually,
language,
English
and it is a compulsory
How many
subject of
people
our country.
How many people speak? I said. Is there any
Literally no one.
percentage?
No,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
almost
Not
60%
regularly.
people in Bangladesh can speak in English.
How many? How many?
Almost 60% people of Bangladesh can speak English thoroughly.
Thoroughly. Okay, but they don't use it for regular communication, right? Like
No,
it is
ma'am.
like they know,
They
but they will
don't.
speak Bangla.
And
Yes,
they
ma'am.
No, ma'am,
can,
it
but
is
they
not
don't.
needed for the regular communication. It is needed for a professional work.
All right. Now I will tell you about myself. I am Reena. My name is Reena. I am into teaching for last 20 years. And I presently live in Hyderabad. Do you know how many states are there in India?
20,
Yes?
28, 28.
29.
Yeah.
29.
Yes, sir.
And?
And next, another state will be added.
Yeah, and we have union territories also. So I am in the state Telangana, but I am born in Punjab. Like Punjab is in North India. I am in South India at present. Okay. And like you were talking about elections, what kind of government do you have in Bangladesh?
We have a Republican government.
So you can go from one place to another and stay anywhere?
Yes, ma'am, we can.
Ma'am, actually, ma'am, there is no states on our country. There is
Sorry?
only one state.
But you can go into any town and stay, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, we can go anywhere and stay there.
We can live in anywhere in the country.
Same way, India is also like a democratic government, and I was born somewhere else. I'm staying somewhere else. I work here. I was an English teacher for a long time. At present, I'm working as a counselor, a career counselor. Now, I heard many students who said, I want to become a scientist, I want to go into robotics or cybercrime and all. I get in touch with the universities and colleges, and I talk to the students of 9th, 10th, 11th, and 12th that how can they study those higher courses which they should choose wisely. So this is my profession. Like English teacher I was, but at present I'm into counseling. Do you have counselor in your school?
No, no, no,
No,
no.
ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, I would like
No
to.
kind of.
No,
Sorry?
no counselor system isn't starting in our school. Okay, no. But our education authority, they are thinking, but they have not appointed and they have not started any post for counselor. Okay, and those have been a psychologist, as a psychologist, and to serve those who are weak and those who are absent mind, and they will help them. But our country don't start. Our education ministry and education authority don't still now start.
Now, counselors are also of different types. One is a psychological counselor who deals with the behavior. Like if somebody is very naughty or somebody is very mischievous and somebody is not doing good in academics, then the reason is find out why he is not doing good. And then that child is made to understand that how can we correct. There is a special educator, like some children who are by birth or having some problems like dyslexia or kind of slow learners and all, then that special way of teaching is given by the special educator. But my field of career is counseling is career. I just deal with that what subjects should be chosen at 11th and 12th and how to choose which career to choose when even some people go for higher education to different countries. People go from Bangladesh also to different countries to study.
Yes, but
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Your country designed your education. Those who will be selecting for science, those who will be selecting for army officer, and different kinds of professions. Students are selecting in different criteria in your country. But my country is not the same. But some students and everybody want to be a doctor, and it's their nature, but they don't know. They don't know, but who will be a doctor, and because our guardian, they always try to become, and they always try to dream their son and daughter will be doctor. But some other profession must be needed, but they don't think. They don't think.
So which are the best sought professions by you people? You all, you are in 8th class. The minimum class is 8th here, right?
Yes, yes.
Yes,
And
ma'am.
8, 9, 10.
8, 9, 10.
Yes.
Any other class?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Only 8, 9, 10.
And
Now,
Yes, ma'am. 8, 9, 10.
your school is still 12th or 11th or 10th?
And school
10.
is still
No,
10.
ma'am.
11,
School is still
11 and
School
12.
is
Yeah, ma'am.
10.
Only
No,
10.
ma'am.
10.
11 and 12 classes.
After 10th, we will go to college for 11th. And in 12th, we will be in the university.
Okay, 11 and 12
You
classes.
will go to college for 11th, 12th will be university.
11, 12.
No, ma'am. 11th and 12th will be at college, and then we'll go to university.
Okay, after
Okay.
completing
So-
12 class, and they will take for admission different universities in our country, and some students will go to abroad country such as your country and European and American country.
Now, in grade 10th, which board do you have? You have a Bangladesh board or some international boards also?
Yeah.
And we have
Which board they study from? Like some country's education board is there.
Yes, yes.
No,
9
ma'am.
education
We
board,
have our own
General
board.
Education Board, 9 Education General Board, and 1 for Technical Education Board, and 1 for Madrasa Education Board.
Okay. What are the subjects you all are studying?
And our
In a grade of a child of grade 10th, can you please tell me what all subjects are you studying?
yes, there
I
are
guess we're all in science
there are
subject.
3 disciplines.
Yes.
They have to study humanities, science, and commerce.
Okay. So under this, how many subjects come?
Ma'am,
11.
science has 4 group subjects, and we have group subjects and compulsory subject: Bangla, English, then religion. These some kinds of subjects are compulsory for every student, and for the students of science, we have chemistry, physics, higher math, and biology.
Okay. And all is taught in English?
Yes.
Yes,
English.
ma'am. Everybody
Yes,
has
ma'am.
that subject of English for compulsory.
Okay.
When the teachers teach physics, chemistry, they teach it in English?
No.
No, ma'am. We have different teachers for the different subjects.
No. The book of physics or chemistry is in English?
No,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
who
Bangla.
read in English medium, they have English books, and who read in Bangla medium, they have Bangla books.
Bangla, but most of the students are studied in Bangla medium, and science books are translated into Bangla. And English is a compulsory subject in our country from class 1 to 12. Compulsory subject. And English.
Tell me, is English easy or difficult?
Yes, and English is a second language. But I know that English is a first language in your country. Is it right?
English is spoken widely, but yeah, we study it as a first language.
Yes, but we learn English as a second language, but it's compulsory from class 1 to 12. But
as a second language,
our students mostly weak in English, and only for they can speak. And I have already read about an article. There are 4 skills to learn a language. Not only English, but also any kind of language. Listening,
reading, writing.
But our students cannot get opportunity listening and speaking. They cannot try to opportunities, listen and speak. And they are always learning English how to get good marks, and they are always hanker after. Okay.
They are learning and writing.
Yes, and they are learning and reading and writing, but they cannot speak. After completing 12 years, and it's very regrettable condition that very few students are able to speak in English, and in rural situation, and their condition is very deteriorated. In some students, those who live in urban area or cities, parents are conscious, they try to, but not more. Very few. And I am thinking that, and that's why I have organized in such kind of session, and I am inviting you because I always inspire them. Please try to speak in English. At first, you can make mistake. I can make mistake because I am not a good speaker. Okay, I am not a good speaker, and I always told them, and if you try, you will do better than I. And it's my belief.
Okay. Do you all want to learn English?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Do you find it difficult or easy?
Ma'am, it is easy.
Easy. Everybody
ma'am.
should think it is easy.
No,
Yes,
ma'am. Think
ma'am.
positive.
No,
Why? See how it's not only English, how a language comes by 4 things. We read English, we write English, we listen
Yes,
to
ma'am.
English, and
Yes, ma'am.
then
We speak English.
speak English.
Ma'am, it is
Now-
not too much difficult. It is just a language. As like we speak in Bangla, we can speak in English. It is just a
Yeah.
language.
when you will not speak, you will not be able to get over the hesitation. Some people, what happens is some people can read well, score good marks, but they don't speak. And they have big degrees, like they are some are doctors also, but they can't speak English because they have not tried. If you hesitate or if you feel shy, start from one sentence. Talk to yourself and standing in front of the mirror. Nobody's listening to you. Now, because of COVID-19, now we are in a Zoom meeting. All the education is also happening online. How will the person understand us when we will speak? Fine, we are not at any place that we can, separately talk to anybody. The classes are happening online. Your classes are also happening online?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
You have to speak when your teacher calls your name or when you have to tell something. Actually, every language is important. When you are staying in Bangladesh, your Bangla language is very important. But today, if you learn many languages, it is a profession in itself. You can become a translator, you can work for international relations, you can do anything. And right now, you know the use of internet. You can learn languages from there. You can watch small stories, you can watch certain movies, you can pick up a language that way. Because listening you will do, reading and writing you are doing. How will you speak? Where will you speak? You should talk to your friends, you should talk to your parents, become the teacher of your own parents. Start from small. I will give you one task today. Should I give you?
Yes, of course.
Yes,
Now,
Yes, ma'am.
you all spoke in the beginning about yourself, that this is your name, you study in this class, you do this. But now, next time, if we meet next time, sir, we will be meeting next time?
Yes, yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Next Tuesday? Next Tuesday?
Next Tuesday.
Yeah. So next Tuesday, all of you will write 100 words. Can you write 100 words?
yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. We'll try.
Yes, ma'am.
You all will write 100 words on a beautiful definition of life. What is life?
Ma'am, will
Whatever
it be
is
a
your
one kind of
understanding.
speech
Sorry?
of 100 words? Will it be a one kind of speech of 100 words about life?
Let it be 1 minute. Okay, let it be 1 minute speech.
Yes.
Will not take words, will take 1 minute. Now, how will you? First thing is, you may write whatever way.
Yes, ma'am.
You will, sorry?
I would like to share something with you.
Yes, sir.
Hello?
Yes, sir, I can hear you.
Okay,
Sir,
I'm
we can
saying,
hear you.
please, you will tell them, and next when it will be held on next Wednesday. Okay, and they will try to speak at their residence, and they have to tell something at least 1 minute. And if they try, okay, any kind of topics at least 1 minute, and it's our beginning point. Okay, and if they try, and I hope that they will do. And you are
right.
And you will motivator. Okay? You will be a good motivator, and I am very lucky, and we are very lucky to have you. And we are request to you that you will keep some time with us, and you will motivate it, and my students will do better.
Sure.
Okay, and
Done, promise.
Another thing I will inform, after 4 minutes, our time, our session will be closed, and then you will engage. Okay, and after 20 minutes, then I will continue, and then we will be closed. Okay, okay. Please tell something. Please tell something, and I am very happy. And please tell us.
Fine. So we were talking about language. When you grow up, you never know what is going to happen in your life. You never know you will become doctor, or you will become engineer, or you will become scientist. But most of the books today are written in English. You will not have all the languages or Bangla language books with you. You will not have all translated books. So you should know the language properly, and that is the need. Now today English is an international language. Wherever you go, do you all want to go out of Bangladesh once?
Yes, ma'am, of course.
Yes, ma'am. Of course.
Like traveling?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So for that, how will you communicate? Nobody knows Bangla outside. So you will have to speak. You will have to speak a common language. Which is a common language?
English.
English.
So if you are not able to tell, how will you properly eat or live or stay or meet people? How will you communicate your work?
And that will be a mess if we don't know English.
And today, you should not think that I know or I do not know. You are in 8th. I was also in 8th once. I did not know much. But we should all start some point of time. And you should always learn that I have to speak the language one day. Then small changes will start coming. Now we give you 1 week, any topic. Next week, just speak wrong, but we want your confidence. Fine. Today, if we are sitting, you are sitting in your country, I'm in my country, we are able to talk to each other. I don't know Bangla, you don't know Hindi, fine, but we are talking through one language. So this way, you can talk to any person in any part of the world. It's a magic, right?
Yes, ma'am.
English language is a magic.
Ma'am, do you know anything in Bangla? Anything? Any line? Ma'am, do you know anything or any line in Bangla?
Bhalobashi.
Wow, ma'am, it's great.
Wow, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Wow.
many of us know Hindi. Many of us can speak Hindi.
Okay, what do you know in Hindi?
मैम मुझे तो हिंदी आती है।
मुझे भी कुछ कुछ आती है मैम।
हमको भी आती है मैम।
हम जब छोटे थे तो बहुत कार्टून देखते थे हिंदी में।
Tell me in English, how have you learned Hindi?
Ma'am,
when we were kids, we used to watch cartoons and Hindi movies.
So you can learn English also the same way.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. We watch movies, English movies.
And inform less than 1 minute. Stop, and then I will connect. Everybody will connect.
All right. So
Okay,
I did
ma'am.
not understand.
You.
So after 1 minute.
Less than
After 1 minute, you will connect to again.
First session closed. Okay, we have
Let's sir speak. Let sir speak. Sir, can you repeat, sir?